If you are new, my name is Nikki, and today's video is a special two-part collaboration with Robin from Faith and Flower. We have each planned 2 videos for you that I think you're going to love. Before we begin, let me introduce you to Robin.
I'm Robin from Faith and Flower, and I invite you to watch my video after you watch Nikki's. Nikki and I have many things in common, and our channel content is very similar. My channel is about homemaking, and I do videos on cleaning, decluttering and organizing, minimalism, a little bit of cooking, and my 10-item capsule wardrobe. Nikki and I have recently become friends, and we are both involved in the upcoming Blossoming Lady Conference, which will take place in Dallas in April, along with Jennifer L. Scott of the Daily Connoisseur and Devereaux Walton of the Modern Lady. We are hoping that you enjoy the videos that we have planned for you this week and that they motivate and inspire you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you over at Faith and Flower.
After you watch my video, be sure to watch Robin's and leave her a comment letting her know that I sent you. I will leave her video and channel information in the description box. I know you will love her content as much as I do. Robin and I will be covering multiple spaces of our homes. Robin will be focusing on some family and community spaces, while I will be covering some personal spaces. We will have another video for you in our spring cleaning series this Thursday, so be sure to come back for more. My first personal space that I am going to be decluttering and deep cleaning is my dressing table. This is an area that gets used every single day, and it's also a space that my girls will come over to in the morning when it's time to get their hair done. While their little hands also get into these drawers, I'm also just throwing things in here sometimes just to clean it up really quick and make our way out the door. Needless to say, it's an area that can definitely use some TLC. While I think it's important to have the right shade of lipstick, I really go with a very minimal makeup routine daily. I use the same things every single day, and occasionally I'll switch up my eyeshadow just to add a little bit more color, but ultimately I like to use basically the same stuff every day and switch up my lipstick here and there. So I really want my drawer to reflect the way that I do my makeup in the morning, just with very few items, and that way it's easy to find what I'm looking for. Something else that needs to be wiped down frequently is everything on the top of the dressing table. Since this is a space that I do my hair and the girls' hair, we use hairspray, and that really leaves a film on everything. Since this is also the table that I will mend anything if I need to, then I just keep those items right there in the back of the drawer. Now that my dressing table is nice and organized and deep cleaned, it's time to move on to my wardrobe. This is a space that I will go through frequently, but with the change of season, I have a couple of items that I'm going to be taking out of the bins up on top and putting a few items away that I won't be using. My husband and I each have one of these wardrobes, which we purchased from IKEA. And I would have to say that my system really is about if it fits into my wardrobe. I like to only keep those items that I love and that I wear, but I limit myself to this amount of space. While everything is removed from the space, it's the perfect time to just give it a good wipe down, vacuum out the space with all of the dust, and then I have a fresh slate. I have a thing for blush or nude type shoes, and when I find a style that I love, I buy them in multiples. So some of these I am putting away because I already have them. And one thing that I've been meaning to do is to write on the little tag what is inside of each of these. I'm also going to use this time to declutter some of these. I have these Sam Edelman ones that are just not my color, and I'm showing you right here the difference and how I really like these lighter blush tone as opposed to the tan. So I'm going to end up listing these for sale, and I have a pile going of all those things that I'm going to be selling on Poshmark. One of the best parts about decluttering to me is just being able to see all the items that you have, take out those things that maybe you've had tucked away. These boots, for instance, I thought that I would be wearing them, but especially since I've given up wearing jeans, I don't really have anything to wear with them, and they're also just a bit on the darker side, too dark for my taste. And it also gives you a chance to see those things again that you really did love. And these shoes right here, I'm happy to take back out for the springtime. And of course, my white shoes. Now these boots right here, I do want to still keep some booties. I think sometimes they look good with dresses, and so I'm going to be keeping those. In order not to be confused with what's inside of these boxes, I'm going to be properly labeling them. It may take a little extra time, but I really love the end result. It feels great to get this decluttering and deep cleaning project done, because now I have time to focus on what matters most. Please subscribe if you like my content and give this video a thumbs up if it motivated and inspired you. I hope you will go visit Robin over at Faith and Flower, and until next time, make a beautiful place to be.